Let's do a thumbnail real fast.
Alright, babe, you go. Tell me. So I ruined this last time. Because I accidentally deleted something. Accidentally deleted the last one we did in Colorado.
Hi, guys. Okay.
And I feel really bad. I'm gonna make it up today. And not delete this one.
You better not. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I mentioned in my other video that we did a mukbang or a mukbang, whatever you want to call it, in Colorado, and like Grayson just said, he accidentally deleted the footage. Don't feel bad, it's okay. So we're doing it again today, but because we're not in a hotel, that's why I wanted to wear robes. We own robes. Fits a hotelish vibe. There's like
fuzz.
Anyway, so we're gonna be having ramen, which I don't know if you can see it, and then we're gonna have pizza too. So what in the world? Cool. So I hope that you guys enjoy. Hey, so
We also have a bet going on right
for starters, we're going to start off with the fact that Grayson was very hesitant on wanting to wear these white robes because he's typically not like he's not
now.
like
You make me sound like a child.
he's not like a messy eater, but like he just gets
I'm a
little messy
I'm a
eater.
messy
He's a messy
eater.
eater. The point is he was scared
but
because he didn't want to get the robe dirty. However,
Angelica has a tendency, every time she wears something white, she always gets a stain on it, no matter what it is or what
it's
we're
only
doing.
with white things, which is really irritating. But we'll see if it actually happens and to who it happens to. Ramen. I almost choked. A noodle just went down my throat.
Noodle. Right, you gotta eat it like a real noodle.
What do you mean? That's so loud. Did you spill
No,
already?
I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
You're lying.
I'm not. Do you see it anywhere, babe?
I saw
You
you
see a
take
stain?
it off.
No stain.
Whatever.
Nothing.
Anyway, last time we filmed this video, we talked about our first date. What should we talk about now?
Our second date.
I don't remember our second date.
Do we even have one?
What was our second date?
Well, did we go on another one in Colorado?
No.
No? Are you sure?
Not that same week.
Are you sure?
Yeah. What do you remember?
I don't know. I don't remember much after that night.
Nice.
Man, ramen fills me up so much.
I don't get why.
Pizza time.
It's really hot. I told Grayson that we shouldn't get pizza, and he
You made me
went.
sound really fat too. I'm not fat. Trust me.
He went to Walmart to buy, what are those called, like detergent pods or something for our washer, for our dishwasher, and he comes home with pizza.
Every time.
Every time he goes to the store without me going, he always comes home with something else.
She always makes me sound like a child.
I'm
just providing for this family.
I'm not making you sound like a child. It's just funny and cute.
Hints like a child.
No.
Not that at all. No, definitely not. Now, we said this in the last video that I deleted. We don't really know how to do a mukbang or mukbang. I thought it was just to eat a whole bunch of food in front of a camera.
You basically do.
I'm just still sick.
Yeah, he's still sick.
I was sick in Colorado, and I'm still sick. This is gonna be the last day, though, I can tell. Anyway, she thinks it's like kind of like you just eat food and talk. So.
Well, I think it's just that you eat in front of a camera. I just thought it'd be more entertaining if we talked.
Oh.
Yeah.
So I don't have to talk?
No, please talk. I'm making a Halloween costume.
Me too.
No, you're not.
Mine's really easy.
I'm not going to tell you guys what it is yet, but...
I can know what I'm going to be.
No, you can't. Because then they're going to know what I am. Anyway, I have to actually...
It's a Disney movie.
Hey. He has to like make it in the sense that he has to grab a bunch of different things from his closet to put it together. I actually have to make this costume, so I had to go to Walmart and buy like a bunch of like fabric, and tomorrow I'm gonna work on it and hopefully it works.
I really hope so. I've never seen her sew anything before, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out. But I have hope.
Thank you.
A little bit.
That's it?
Now I have big hopes.
No, you don't.
I believe in you.
You just said little hope.
She's mad.
Can I have pizza? I'm kind of tired of this flavor. Ramen is good, but I feel like it gets very bland after a while. Hey, stop. I'm scared to pick this up because it's definitely going to get me dirty.
You didn't eat any ramen.
I had a lot. You put a lot in that plate.
Not as much as...
Oh,
I ate so much more than
I broke it in half.
I guess that works. Man, I
good.
feel bloated.
Yummy.
We need to be doing like an ASMR. I'm serious.
Do I chew loud?
Now that you say that, I hear it.
I hear you too.
Most people don't. People have a problem. People have a problem hearing me.
You talk so quiet.
I don't like getting flamed.
I'm not blaming you. You yourself know you don't talk very loud. Please?
That's all I hear every day, man. Speak louder. Talk louder.
Oh my god.
What? 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 It's a sad life.
Oh my god. You're cute. You're cute.
Damn it, babe. You're code too. That's what you said. I'm sorry.
See, you flamed me.
But at least I apologize.
I said I was sorry.
Did you? I didn't hear
I don't know if I did.
I didn't hear
But I don't want you to feel bad.
Honestly, it kind of hurts.
I'm sorry. I am.
I accept. I said thanks. I forgive you.
Oh, I thought you said dang.
Like I said, no one can hear me.
I'm so full. I think I'm done eating.
It's really hard for me to talk and breathe right now with my cough because it's like, or laugh. I try and laugh and it just doesn't work.
The last time, he sounded like the White Chicks laugh. And White Chicks, when he goes, "What a beautiful chocolate man." Oh, it was
Hold
better
on,
on
I
your
got
phone.
Put my mouth. Now I'm embarrassed.
Oh, come on.
Now it's
It sounded like a llama or something. I don't know what
a llama.
That's probably not the right animal.
Like a llama.
That's probably not the right animal, but you sounded like something like that.
It's difficult. I'm not getting dirty.
What is that?
What is that?
And don't judge me. No, absolutely not. Just stop.
I can't.
Just stop.
I can't do it.
It's okay.
My voice doesn't go high anymore. I used to be able to sing really high pitched until I got sick. Maybe that. Yeah. You know, but like really high. Now I just might it gets stuck.
Alright. I'm full.
I think this might be better than the last one though.
It might be the other one. If you guys don't know, which you probably do by now, we went to Colorado, road tripped. He drove the whole time. Long story short, it was a lot of driving in a short period of time. And
Driving, sleeping.
Oh my god. I try to stay awake and keep you company.
Hence, try.
Okay, the point is, I can't even, I offered. I would literally, okay, here's the thing. When we're driving, or when he's driving, when I'm in a car, I get sick if I'm looking at screens, or if I'm reading, or if I'm like talking too much. Like, it's just so hard for me to focus and like not get sick. Okay? Stop. And so I stay awake, but I don't say anything. And then he looks at me and he's like, "You can go to bed." And I was like, "But I don't want to go to bed because I want to keep you company." But obviously me being awake is not company.
She's just sitting there.
But I'm awake. The point is, the other video that we filmed may probably not have been as good because we were honestly so, like, he was sleep deprived. We weren't eating very well, to be honest. And it was
We weren't really eating.
Yeah, we weren't eating a whole bunch because we weren't, like, very hungry. It was just, anyway. I kept you company.
That's the moral of the story. But she just like gets rocked to sleep. If she gets in a car anytime, she'll drive for like 30 minutes.
It's true.
And she falls asleep.
But it's just, to be fair, it's not so much because I'm tired, but it's because I really can't do anything else. Because I don't feel good if I'm awake in a car.
It's really sad.
It is. It really is. But it's also so nice to just wake up and be like, "Oh, look, we made it." Like I wake up and you're like, "Oh, look, we're in Colorado." And I'm like, "Oh, wow."
I bet it is.
The other thing too is if I'm really bad with following a GPS and directions, and so I get really uncomfortable driving in areas that I don't know.
She's scared.
And so I like hold on so tight to like the wheel that like it hurts my hands. And so to do that for such a long period of time, to not be able to do anything but like grip the wheel so hard is just the worst. As far as the GPS goes, like I know how to read it as far as like that I have to go left or right or like, you know.
She just can't tell distance.
But I can't tell distance. So
it's like 800 feet and she's like,
and I'm like, "Oh no." or it's like, "Turn now," and I'm like, "Oh, I missed it." Anyway, I think that concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us eat and chatting it up.
Is that just
some.
focused on your face?
I hope not. You think? Guys, I'm sorry if his face was blurry the entire time. We can't tell if he's in focus or not, but I hope he was.
The autofocus is
Either
on
way,
her face.
I see that, but maybe you're not blurry, okay? The point is, again, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you did.
Let us know if this was a good mukbang.
Or if we don't even know if we failed at what this actually is, because I don't know.
But we did good at eating.
Anyway, farewell.
See you guys.
Love you.
Peace out.